Good afternoon, everybody. So today we're gonna go ahead and change the oil in my car, and I'm gonna teach you step by step, and the description is gonna be down below of what I'm gonna use and what you need. If you like this video and this video is very helpful to you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And all right, let's start getting to it then. So once we lift up the hood, we let that, cool down a little bit, and now we go under. Now we're under the car. This is your filter, oil filter, and this is the screw. Now with this, always need an oil panel, but when you take this off, it never goes straight down. It always comes at an angle. So always make sure and calculate that where you know you're gonna put it and where you think it's gonna go. Now let's go ahead and try it out. By the way, I used the 15mm wrench. So now we got that loose. Alright, so there all the oil goes. You see what I mean by the oil goes at an angle. Never goes straight down, always goes at an angle. So we're just gonna let that completely drain out. The oil should never look that dark. Clean the screw, you just screw it back on. So, once you take off the filter I got, I'll put it in the description below. It looks just like this. So once you're done, you put it back on. You put the new one on. I don't at all recommend doing the oil filter tighters. I recommend you do it by hand, just slightly, just a little, not too much, because then if not, from past experience, it's gonna be a mission. And then after you tighten this, there we go. Now I'm gonna put the oil in. So this is the oil I'm using, 5W30. I'll also put in the description below. And you put 5 quarts of these. I'm filling it in now, and then now we have to lower the car. So once I tighten this up, by the way, just to let you guys know, here in your oil cap they'll always tell you what you guys need. So now we're gonna go ahead and check and clean. So we're gonna clean it. Once we clean it, put it back in. Alright, so the oil should be about up to here, and then it's only up to here, so we're gonna need another quart. Let's just check it one more time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get another quart. Alright, so we're finished. I put the other quart of oil in. Alright, we're all set to go. That's pretty much how you change your oil on a Mustang 2016 EcoBoost. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.